Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And my friends, we have to talk about my gaming industry portfolio. So we are standing now around about $105,000. So overall in the running portfolio. So I'm not counting now here the position that I was selling over the recent months or recent times. $3,200 in the plus. So Friday a little bit less good, and yeah, let's jump directly into it. So this is overall the portfolio. So as you can see, I was buying, or as you can see on my X account. So I'm telling you always when I buy some new stocks on my X account. So I bought more Ubisoft, I bought more CI games, and I actually bought more Playtika. So those are the positions that were growing. And then also I want to show you actually that I'm also holding Bandai Namco. I'm holding also Bandai Namco. We are at the moment 76% up overall. Very good investment so far. So obviously I should have invested more. So if we would now add those 1,100 euros on the overall portfolio, then it would be like around about $4,500, something like this. But due to the investing app not really, or having a problem with Japanese yen calculations in the app, so I'm not having it here. So I need to find a better app. So you have a better app for to show you my portfolio, then please write it in the commentary section. I'm open to this. All right, guys. So first we go through a little bit here very quickly, and then we check out some charts. So Microsoft stable here, 155%. Avowed came out. Game is more or less. Is it a success? Is it not a success? So I think the gaming community is not really decided yet if it's a success. So some people really like it, and some people say like, no, you can't compare this Oblivion title with previous Oblivion titles. So I'm putting it to the side. So CD Projekt also stable here, 33% up for me. So 1% on Friday. Ubisoft also on Friday up. So here we have to check out the chart. That's the most interesting part. So as you can see now, I have 1,115 shares of Ubisoft, and I have a thesis, and that's the most important part. So I have a strategy, and this is my strategy. So I'm not telling you to apply my strategy. You have to find your own strategy, and obviously this is 13,000 euros on the risk as well. So let's imagine Ubisoft goes bankrupt, then they're losing like 90% immediately, and then the last 10% over time. Then this money is gone. So therefore, you only invest what you are willing to, what you're ready to lose. So obviously, I don't want to lose anything, but I have my thesis, and my thesis is, in my personal opinion, is strong on Ubisoft, but still 27% down, $5,000. So if the thesis works out for Ubisoft, guys, then we see a complete different world here. So, but putting it to the side, so talking a bit more about this a bit later in this video. Take-Two, yeah, 31%, 32%. So let's be honest, guys. So they were under $160 at one time, and we were all saying, yeah, 140, 120. Take-Two is falling more. GTA 6 is not coming. Oh, NBA 2K and all these other games are not good enough. So, guys, look, they came back. They're an American tech company, software company, and American tech and software companies are just performing incredible good. So we simply have to admit this. We have to admit this. So that's important. So CI games. Shall I talk about CI games? I mean, I'm posting about this a lot on X, so probably I shouldn't post so much about it. So yeah, bought 2,000 more shares. I have now 14,000 shares of CI games. So at one point, I will have more shares in CI games than board members of the company. So actually, Marek, you should make me a board member of your company. So I'm buying even more shares, then I become a board member of the company. I should do this. So I think that's a good idea. I should ask Marek that I become board member. because I have a lot of ideas, so just buy some more shares. So I think when I have more than 40,000 shares, I have more than one of the board members that has the lowest number of shares. So I like the trajectory of CI games. I like CI games, so this is no financial advice, guys. You don't buy this stock just because I talk about it. I like it, so that's most important. And we are in the plus, so but this can also, of course, change rapidly in case some bigger investor sees CI Games as an interesting company to invest in. This is going to change here massively. We're going to have a nice change in the stock price. So Square Enix, 3% here of the portfolio, of the gaming portfolio is 3,000 euros. We are in the plus. Good to see. Pull-up still in the minus, still back in the minus. Digital Pro still keeping up in the plus. Corsair is coming back the same like Unity. Here, Unity only 63% down. Corsair only 57% down. So if you were buying Corsair or Unity when they were at the lowest, then you would have made some nice amounts of cash here. But obviously, my friends, obviously no one bought it because no one really believed in the company when they were down so massively. Frontier, yeah, it's okay. £2,000. Not buying more, keeping it stable. 11-bit, actually, I wanted to buy more, but they were coming back so quickly, showing you the chart later. Tencent is back. Chinese gaming companies, Chinese companies in general are back. And this is a good thing to hear for all those people that are invested in Tencent. Like 4 years, people were invested in Tencent or in other Chinese companies or ETFs. So, guys, it was hurtful. It was hurtful, but it's good to see China is back here a bit in the investment community. So, let's see if I'm actually selling Tencent at one point, since there's just I'm just not. I don't want to be too much invested in the Chinese markets, to be honest. So Paradox Interactive, 20%. Playtika, I bought more Playtika. This is an interesting, so we're going to check out the chart. So I was also looking a bit with AI, with different AI tools into the company. So they're pretty stable right now. At the moment, there seems to be more upside potential than downside potential. They even pay a dividend. They make casual mobile games. The question is there going to be a growth market? So can they grow further? Otherwise, they're a bit accelerating here in this price range, $11, $6. So it's actually a very exciting company at the moment. So Unity, talked about it. Embracer Asmodee. So you see, yeah, well, Embracer back down. Asmodee also down. So I have to find out actually if I really make money with those two companies after the split. But I actually plan to sell out of Asmodee at one point because it's a board game, tabletop board game company, not really so much into those companies. Everplay, Team 17 changed their name, didn't change anything, company is still down. Nexon, I have an order in. Nexon made of 8%, that's now the American, but in Japan, they made an 8% pump on Friday. Actually, I wanted to buy some more, so now it goes all very fast. So yeah, on Monday I will see if they drop again. If they drop again, then I think I have to change my order a bit. So Capcom, guys, Capcom. Electronic also back in the plus. Playway also in the plus. Nice to see Nintendo crushing it with Capcom, with Square Enix, with Bandai Namco. Japanese stocks are crushing it, my friends. They're crushing it. So Remedy, I don't know where Remedy is going. I would assume actually they go, when you look at the chart, probably more to the downside than to the upside at this point. Bigben, Nacon, yeah, well, they hurt. Those companies hurt. Yep, sometimes you're wrong with a bet. So I had a bet on Bigben. As it seems now, I'm losing this bet, but you see, that's why I'm also saying with Ubisoft, be prepared to lose a bet. That's important. So, and then DontNod Entertainment, they were releasing Lost Records. So I made a dedicated video about DontNod Entertainment. Yeah, we're badly down. So I think, okay, I'm saying it now here. Not making a dedicated video for this. So I think Lost Records is It's maximum a 6 out of 10. Maximum a 6 out of 10. A game. Probably it's not going to sell a lot. It's extremely niche. I don't expect DontNod to survive this game. So probably they go bankrupt in 3 weeks. So would I short the stock now? No, definitely not. Would I buy more? No, I'm not buying more, obviously. So I actually thinking about selling DontNod. But hey, no financial advice. I'm just a YouTuber, a retail investor myself. I have no idea about anything. And with companies like Bigben and Nacon, you see that I'm also sometimes wrong. All right, guys. So CD Projekt, this is the chart. Look at this beautiful, beautiful chart, guys. Look at this beautiful chart. So, wow. Do you think we can hold the 230? The 230 slot there? Imagine we could hold this. Wow. If we can hold this, then we might go back up to the 300. So with new Witcher and new Cyberpunk coming out, I see actually even more potential. But in the short and in the midterm, I actually also would see 150, 60 slotty, or maybe going back to the 135 range. So yeah, strong, very strong 135 range. So therefore, actually selling it now in sort of as a sort of a trade, I wouldn't blame anyone selling it now. So I think selling it now would even be probably the smart thing to do. But it's possible that you miss then going to miss out to the upside. Maybe put a stop loss there. It's probably the smarter thing to do. Long term, I like the company. I like Cyberpunk. Everyone likes Cyberpunk. Everyone likes Witcher 4 or Witcher 3 or Witcher games in general. So therefore, I would personally say, why would I sell this company? I mean, it's the most important European gaming company out there at the moment. Maybe even one of the most important gaming companies in general. So obviously I'm not selling this company here, guys. I'm gesticulating with my hands over my microphone. So I'm sorry for this little noise. Yeah, no reason actually here to sell it. It's my bad, guys. It's my bad. If it goes well, I'm going to celebrate so much. I'm going to say to all the haters, told you so. But if I'm losing, all the haters can tell me, told you so, Mr. Orange. Why are you buying this company? Are you an R-E-T-R-R-D? My God, yeah. I'm even too retarded to spell retard correctly. So, guys, I don't have. What do you think? What do you think? Is this bad? Is this bad working? Is this bad working? Are we undercutting? Are we undercutting the 950? Are we undercutting the 950? Go to the €7. When it goes to the 7 years, shall I purchase more? Because then we pump back when someone is acquiring Ubisoft. Maybe even an Assassin's Creed game is going to be successful. Or do you think we even go bankrupt? Do you think this, guys? I want your opinion. So you know my opinion. So I talked about this extensively. So this could be a one in a lifetime chance, or it could be the biggest honey money trap that you can find in the French stock market. So everything is possible. You see me here, I'm laughing. I'm just laughing for myself. So I love it. So yeah. Guys, I don't know what to say. I mean, if this works out, this is like printing money. If this works out, it's like printing money. But if this doesn't work out, then I probably I should stop. If this doesn't work out, I think I have a reason to stop this YouTube channel. So if it doesn't work out, if it works out, so you can celebrate me for years to come. CI Games here, same story. So where's my Fibonacci retracement? The Fibonacci retracement here, unbelievable. So here, CI Games, that's the chart. Are we going back to the 7 slot thing? Nah, probably not. But at this time, I have a little bullish feeling for 250. 250 is in the range. Are we going now directly through? Here's a Fibonacci retracement, by the way, that you don't see right now. But wait, clicking here back. No, where's my Fibonacci retracement? Where is it? That disappeared. Okay. So let's do it without. I'm not drawing. I can also draw a new one. Yeah, here we go. Oh, other way around. So I see how you how I normally draw a Fibonacci retracement. If you don't know how you draw Fibonacci retracements, then just check it out. So that's how you draw them. Hoppala! So here we go. So sorry guys for wasting your time, but I have to draw this Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, something like this. So therefore, here it's a very important. That's very important. If we manage to get back there, and then it could look like here. So we managed to break through the 180, and in CI games is also possible. CI games, I like when I listen to the CEO, I like it. I listen that he is trying to put players first. He says it's over. The company is not following any ideologies, any politics. So he just wants to make a game that the majority gaming community wants to play. So that's very important. So that's the way forward for CI games. Therefore, Merrick is doing this right. So, and yes, they have to work on their quality. They have to. I'm also not the biggest fan that the next Lords of the Fallen is going to be as an Epic Games exclusive. So I'm openly saying this here. So if Merrick is watching, so I know that you need that it's low risk to go Epic Games. They finance the game. I understand this, but fans want the games on Steam. It's very important for fans. So you know this. So don't make an exclusive for like forever. If you're smart, you try to get out like after 1-2 years. So time exclusive. But that's the negative. But it, like with Alan Wake, we've seen it's not the end. It's not the end. So it gives them some finances to work further on other games. So that's what we have to keep in mind. So this is here for the long term, guys. So I'm not investing now in CI games, and then it goes to like 3 slot days, and then I'm selling it. No, I'm not doing this, guys. So I want to see CI games as one of the top European gaming companies from Poland. So I'm bullish on Poland, on Poland industry, gaming companies in general, gaming industry, and I'm bullish that they make it right. So no financial advice, guys. You lose your own money. So, but that's my thesis overall. So I can go more in details. I actually already made so many videos about this. So therefore we go forward. So Embracer. Yeah, Embracer comes from here. Is now here. I think that's the split, everything here included. So it's a mess. So you don't really know where they stand here. So it's very difficult actually to understand right now the chart. So therefore that's part of the game. That's financial engineering. It's completely confusing investors. At one point they don't even know anymore. So I have to drink my Diet Coke. At one point, they don't even know anymore if they lost money or not. So, and then you say, yeah, Mr. Orange, if you don't calculate this correctly, you probably shouldn't invest your money. So I'm a gamer, a retail investor. Therefore, I'm telling you guys, don't listen to me. Look at Snail. Look at Snail. It's coming back. I'm so happy when this stock actually is crashing because I sold out and I could have been at $3 and I sold for $2 and I was making 100% and now it's coming back to 2.99. Salty. I'm so salty, guys. I'm starting to be so salty. Imagine this stock goes $3 here. Imagine snail goes back to $5. I goes to $5. Sorry, I'm going to be so salty, my friend. So salty. Yeah, Playtika. So 2.6 billion dividend yield 5.75. Not really growing, but having a cash flow. Having cash flow, that's already important. Net income positive 235, revenue 2.57. So in 2022, also not too bad. So kind of stable actually from 2021 to 2023. I like that. Not too bad here with the net profit margin. Net profit margin around 10 over time. That's alrighty. So I want to see the numbers for 2024. Eat Pucks is the website. All right. So stable chart here. Stable chart. Could be a turnaround. Is it going to $30? Nah, I don't think so. Can it go back to roundabout here? $10? It's possible. So if you look more in detail in the numbers, and also I did this with the help of AI. So this was a bit, so this was the frame, so between 6 and 10. So here you can maybe you can even trade it. The P ratio 12. So Playtika. I think it's interesting for me personally here, and I think I'm going to purchase some more. I didn't like this downturn here. I was a bit disappointed that we didn't move in 23 to the upside again. I mean, 57%, fine, but it was not sustainable. So therefore, I expect that the stock could fall a bit further, but if not, I'm averaging a bit here. So my thesis. Nacon. 60 million market cap. 2.95 PE ratio, but I mean numbers are 1753 net income 2024. All right, numbers not that bad. But I am actually a bit surprised. Is this an undervalued stock? Do you think it's an undervalued stock of 56 cents? Looking at Bigben, it can always go lower. 30 cents, and they're not going bankrupt could be interesting. Oh my god, yeah, that's a hard word. See, under 200 million market cap for Remedy Entertainment. My order is here, 11 euros. I would 11 euros. I would go big in. 14 euros. 14 euros. Maybe it's the turnaround time here. Maybe it's here even turnaround. So, but 11 years would be even better. So Paradox, well, looks like a chart. It goes up, down, up, down. So it looks like a chart of a company that you could trade. Square Enix, also a chart that you can trade. Probably looking at this chart from 2020 on, probably this is the moment you sell and then you wait until they go down again. But on the other hand, maybe they make the Nintendo and just go crazy. So that's always the question. People never know when to sell. So selling is the most difficult part in investing. Investing is easy. Sometimes you buy when it's too high. Sometimes you buy when it's cheap, or when not when it's cheap. Let's say when the price is down. P ratio 66. So probably it's expensive now. I'm leaving it. Bigben is not there yet. So 120. I don't know. A PE ratio under 99. We look here very superficial on the numbers. I mean, they even have a net income of 14. So what's wrong there, guys? What's wrong there? Is this the market environment in France? Is this the problem? Something with Bigben is off, and I don't know what's off. Something just doesn't add up. So can you tell me? Someone from France here can tell me. Yeah, you can also say the same about Nintendo. So something doesn't add up with Nintendo because this is crazy. We have a dividend yield, even P ratio over 40. Oof. I think I have to sell all my Japanese stocks, but probably I'm going to regret it, and that's the whole problem. It's so difficult to sell Japanese stocks. So Nexon, South Korean stock, but also in Japan. I find it interesting here. I find the company interesting here, guys. So here. Had a 4.4. Yeah, this was the run on Friday. On 1 month. Nothing. 6 months we're even down. Year to date, 1 year down. But on 5 years we are up slightly. And then max, obviously we're up. Well, Nexon games are not that bad. It's not a Square Enix. It's not a Capcom. Definitely not a Nintendo. But I see potential in the long run. Maybe that's a good moment to average down. Frontier is one of those stocks. They had a good run early 24. Now they're kind of consolidating. But here we have to really look in the substance of the games. We have to crunch the numbers a bit more to see if there's a possibility that this company could go higher again. Yeah, Digital Pros is doing well. Talked already about this Wushang Fallen Feathers I think is the new game. that has, in my opinion, a lot of potential. So we come to a place where I think Digital Pros could be a bit too expensive, not only from the chart but also if I look at the numbers. So DontNod, 13, 14 million. So a company you can easily buy now if you're a big company like Tencent, if you're a big company like Square Enix. Just buy DontNod. Why is no one buying DontNod for €2? I mean, I'm down with it. I lost my money anyway, so. But no one wants to buy it. No one's interested in this. Numbers are terrible. Probably they just let them go bankrupt and then they buy the licenses when it's bankrupt. Or how is this working actually? Yeah, Starward. I sold probably too low. Seems to stabilize here, but I don't like the new game. I told myself I'm waiting for the new game. If the new game is good, then I'm actually even adding up. But I don't like the new game, so therefore I sold. Bluebird Team, I sold at 24, and I regret we are 29 now. Playway, told you here, guys, we are coming back since then 16%. So did I buy more? No, I missed it obviously. But yeah, I think even here it could be interesting actually to add up a little bit. So overall, Polish gaming companies are interesting. So I think I buy some more Playway. No financial advice, guys. Stop doing what I do. Sega Sammy. I'm not interested in Sega Sammy at this time. No, I'm not interested. I don't see the big catalyst games. Thunderful, bye. Bandai Namco. Oh my god, this chart. Guys, this chart is like it's like a rocket ship. Look at this chart, guys. It's like a rocket ship. Palantir is like nothing against this. This is a rocket ship per chart, but why would it fall? I mean, it falls and then it goes back up. So why? I mean, what to do at this point? So yeah, Mr. Orange, don't you have a strategy? Don't you have a strategy? Yeah, I mean, seeing this, the strategy is probably taking profits here at this point. That's the strategy. But then when you get back in, Electronic Arts came nicely back 12% from the lows, starting to stabilize here, trading in the 5-year range. So nothing special actually here. So it was interesting where I bought it because now I'm in the plus. Guillemot Corporation, those are the guys behind Ubisoft. What's going on there? Something weird is going on with Guillemot and Ubisoft, and it's better going to create me shareholder value. I'm not invested in Guillemot. Another French company, Atari, another French company. Oh, look, Atari was going from 10 cents and in the top to what was it, to 16 cents, 60% up. I mean, guys, probably you cannot even when you buy, you cannot even sell. This is no, don't buy those penny stocks. I mean, you know, I like some penny stocks with Nacon. CIA Games is also a penny stock in a certain extent, but nah, still not buying it. Still don't see it. Still don't think it's going to work. Yeah, and that's Ubisoft, my friends. I'll still like it. I don't care what you think. That's CI Games, also like it. All right, guys. On this note, I'm closing this weekend update on my gaming portfolio. I know I should update some companies in general, make some more deep dive videos, maybe with a PowerPoint or not. But you find so much good information right now if you use the AI tools. So probably it's faster for you using the AI tools to get information about those companies than watching my videos. But I know it's also fun just to watch people talking about stocks, especially stocks that you're invested in. And if you like this and you have friends that like this, so please share my videos also on your Steam news feeds, on your X news feed. Share my videos, guys. So this helps me to grow this channel. So if I'm not reaching this year the 1,000 subscribers, so guys, then probably I have to close down this little niche project because it's a niche project, but still I want also to get some feedback from you. So I want to grow this channel anyway. So I can of course upload every week 10 videos, then I grow a little bit more. But I want to get now a little bit more growth and a little bit more watch time from you guys. So that's important for me. So therefore, you are there to help me. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and like this video and share this video. I think at this point, it's more important that you share my videos than just liking them. Or comment is always welcome, of course, but you need to share those videos. So, all right, guys. So now you're probably angry that I talked so much about my channel, and probably you're already not there anymore. But hey, if you help me, I can help you, and we can go this journey together. It's a niche channel, you know this, but therefore you're here because you like video games and you like video games companies. Maybe you work in the video games industry and you want someone actually to talk about the companies from a more objective point of view, from a gamer's point of view. Maybe you're a big investor, you have a hedge fund, and you think you can make some money with video game companies, and you're watching my channel because you want to see also the view of a non-financial advisor, of a gamer, of a retail investor. So then it's also, you all are welcome. But hey, guys, you need to share those videos. It's important. So I don't take any responsibility here for any of those gaming companies where I'm invested in. I have written it down in the description of this video in which companies I'm invested in. But as always, no accountability, no responsibility, guys. It's a stock market. Probably most people buy here on the top of a company, and then they sell, and then they lose money. So it's actually this is more realistic than the other way around. So I'm fully aware of this, but you know, I am now, for example, in the plus with my portfolio. It goes in the right direction, and maybe in 1 year we hit the jackpot. Maybe we lost again a lot. Everything is possible, guys. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.